Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Farah Adlin binti Nazim, metric number 1623846, and my client is the Secretariat of Sociology and Anthropology, SOCASA, and this video is a product presentation where I will be presenting the final product, which is SOCASA's website. So this video is divided into three parts. In the first part is the live demonstration for the product, and the second part is the user acceptance test, and in the last part I'll be sharing some lessons that I have learned while doing this project. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the first part, which is the live demonstration for the product. So I will go through all pages available as well as the external links that are available in this website. So let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so this is the live demonstration of the website. So first I'll be typing the URL. It's sites.google.com/view/SOCASA-IIUM. Alright, so here is the website. So here's the homepage. As you can see, on the top we have home, about us, programs, gallery, and get connected. So there are pages in this SOCASA website. So let's scroll. Alright, so here is the preview of what we have. SOCASA mainboard, programs, as well as social media. Alright, so I'll click on see more. So here is, as you can see, organizational chart. So who are the person behind SOCASA? And then there's also explanation about SOCIETY. So SOCIETY is actually a blog run by the SOCASA students. So let's have a look. So here is the SOCIETY blog. As you can see here, alright, SOCIETY. This is where the students actually share their thoughts, share their insight about certain topics. Alright, so that's it for the about us. So let's go to programs. So for programs is the collection of programs that have been done. So this is programs that have been done in 2020. This is the poster of the program that we can see. And then here we can see view more photos. So instead of clicking on gallery, you can actually click on view more photos to see the photos for every program. Okay, so here we have a photo for program STATE 2020. Okay, and there are also a lot of other programs as well. Alright, so the final page is Get Connected, which is the collection of social media by SOCASA. So here we have Instagram, Twitter, as well as Facebook. So let's try to click the link. So here's the Instagram page for SOCASA. As you can see, SOCASA IIUM. Let me close it. And then the Twitter page. So here's the Twitter page for SOCASA IIUM. And lastly, we have the Facebook page. Alright, so here is the Facebook page for SOCASA IIUM. So it shows how all the external link for this website actually working. So I think that's all. Alright, so on to the second part, which is user acceptance test. So I'll be showing a video of testing of the website. So, okay, so actually I have two tests. So this is the first test. So the first test is the test to access the website as a visitor. So this is actually almost the same as the live demo video just now. And the second test is the test to access the website as the owner, where the owner will try to enter the credentials, which is the user ID and password, and see whether they can log in or not. So if they manage to log in, so it shows how the testing is actually successful. Alright, so first let's go to sites.google.com. So here we'll put in the email, which is SOCASA-IIUM2020@gmail.com. Then next. So I'll put in the password. Next. And then, yeah, so here we can see successfully logged into Google site. So here is the SOCASA site. So as we can see right here, here is the website. Okay, so now the client has the control to do any editing, any alteration to the website. So here we can see many settings such as images, and then we have pages. They can alter any pages that they want, and they can also change the theme for the page. So the task is successful. Alright, so the final part, which is the lesson learned. So there are several lessons that I have learned by doing this project. So the first lesson is insight and experience. So doing this project in general has given me insight and also experience on how a real life project works, because we actually learn the project management in IT using theories in class. But when doing it in real life, I actually able to understand and relate more. So it is very exciting and also nerve-wracking at the same time. I also gain a better understanding about SOCASA, because as a fellow human science student, I don't really know what SOCASA is before this. But after doing this project, I managed to know better, to know more about them. Okay, and then the second lesson is time management. So as I mentioned earlier, because both my client and I are students, it's important for us to set a schedule that can actually comply to both our schedule. So the third lesson is also time management. So because I'm doing this project alone, it makes me realize how I need to properly manage my time properly in order to be able to actually do all the works. Because if I am doing it with a partner, I can actually divide the task. But because I'm doing it alone, I need to do everything. So I need to properly manage my time. But regardless of that, although it's quite hard and tough at the beginning, I'm actually enjoy doing it alone. And yeah, I'm also proud that I managed to finish this product on my own. So I think that's all for the video. Thank you.